Good morning on this lovely Thursday morning, or maybe not so lovely as it's raining once again. First client of the day has just turned up with his lovely KTM 1290 Adventure S. This is going to get one of our legendary full Monty valets. He's just had it serviced at the KTM center, so now it's time to do a little detailing on it, get a bit of protection on it to get it ready for the summer ahead. So like I said, this is going to get one of our full Monty valets. This will get a full Snowfoam safe wash, degreased, decontaminated. We'll see if we can get that belly pan off of there so as to get access to that exhaust. We'll get that all minted up, get all these discs sorted, and then we'll get some XCP corrosion protection on it afterwards, just to make sure it's got a bit of protection for the years ahead. Get that tank pad thing off of there so as to get access to the tank, get it all polished up. Let's get cracking. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This KTM 1290 Super Adventure S has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets. That's had a Snowfoam safe wash, degreased, decontaminated. We've minted up all these discs. Look at the exhaust come up like new. Everything's had XCP afterwards. We removed the windscreen, the headlight cover. That's all had a two-stage machine polish. All this little airfoil inside there has been polished to remove all the scratches. I did a single stage polish on all the bodywork. I said everything's had XCP on it. Absolutely gleaming. Look at those wheels. All the chains been re-lubed up, all underneath. All the burnt on tar on the exhaust has been removed. Look at that disc, it's come up like new. All done, 2 hours on the dot. Get yours booked in now. We're open 7 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. 07966 249 963.